Clan Ballantyne is one of Scotland's most fascinating and historic families. Their story is one of success, adventure, and a deep love for their homeland. The Ballantynes have been a prominent family in Scotland for centuries, and their legacy continues to live on today. The Ballantynes are believed to have originated from the lands of Ballantyne in Selkirk. Their family name is often alternately rendered as Bannatyne, and both forms can be found used interchangeably within the same generation. The Ballantynes acquired the lands of Glenmaddie in Nithsdale in the 15th century, and they also received lands in the barony of Sanquhar from Lord Crichton in 1548. George Ballantyne, born in Newtile in Forfarshire in 1545, was a compiler of Scottish poetry during the 15th and 16th centuries. His work was considered so important by Scottish literary giant Sir Walter Scott that he named the literary club he founded in 1823 after him. The Bannatyne Club went on to publish George Ballantyne's work in book form, along with many other previously inaccessible Scottish works. Richard Ballantyne was secretary to the Scottish Protestant reformer, John Knox, and he was appointed by the church to put in order all the papers left by Knox after his death in 1572. He completed the task in 1575 and died in September 1602. Sir Lewis Bellenden of Ochnold accompanied James VI on his journey to marry the daughter of the King of Norway in 1589. He was sent to the court of Elizabeth I of England, where he strongly promoted James VI's ambitions to be recognized as the Queen's heir. He was rewarded for his services with numerous grants of land, including the barony of Broughton. The Ballantynes of Peebles became extremely prominent in the Scottish wool trade in the 18th century and were instrumental in the establishment of the trade in Scottish tweed in 1829. They continue to carry on their connection to the wool trade to this day. Lord Bannatyne, a distinguished lawyer and judge, was in possession of the castle of Kames as early as the 14th century. He was a prominent figure in the intellectual and literary circles of 18th century Edinburgh, and died at the age of 91 in 1833.